Hi, I'm Professor Soicher. Thank you for visiting. I hope you find this tutorial useful. This is a video showing you how to create an APA formatted cover page for a research paper or a literature review. I will be showing you how to make the cover page using Word 2010, but the steps will be similar in any word processor. Let's open Word first. We will want to start by setting our standard document preferences such as font and page margins. APA formatting prefers a font such as Times New Roman, so we can select the font type here and the font size should be 12. Next, click on the Page Layout tab to set the page to 1-inch margins. Select Margins, choose Normal, with 1-inch margins on all sides of the pages. Now we are ready to begin. Perhaps the hardest part of a cover page is the header. The header on the first page is different from the header on all the subsequent pages, but must still include the page number. In Word, this gets a bit tricky. Be sure to follow the next steps in exactly the order you see here. First, double-click on the top of the page. You can see this opens the header for editing and dims the rest of your document. You can see this opens the header for editing different first and dims the rest of your document. Now you want to check the box that says Different First Page. Make sure you do this before typing any text here. Doing it later will erase the text on the first page. Make sure you do this before typing any text here. Add the page number to the right-hand side of the text on the first page header. Select page number. Second, add the page number to the right-hand side of the page. Then the third option. Select which page number, the page number, top of page, in the top right-hand corner of the page. Then the third option, which places third page type your running head in the top right-hand corner. Type the words running head with a colon. Then add the first 50 characters or so to the title of your paper, running head, all in capital letters. Type the words running head with a colon. Of music, then add the first 50 characters or so of the title of your paper. Now press the space bar to align the running head to the left side of the page. Then add the first 50 characters or so to the title of your paper, all in capital letters. Let's set up the header on the second page so you can see what that will look like throughout the rest of the document. Of music, on learning. Now press the space bar to align the running head to the left side of the page. Note that it will automatically count this page as page number 2. Before completing the cover page itself, let's set up the header on the second page, the text that says so you can see what that will look like throughout the rest of the document. Instead, include only your title or portion thereof in all capital letters. Add the page number back to the cover page. You can click Close Header and Footer up top to exit. Note that it will automatically count this page as page number 2. On the second page, in the center of the page, include the text that says the title of your paper and your name. Instead, include only your institution or the school you go to. This needs to be centered both on the second page. You will not include the text that says running head. To center vertically, include only your title until we reach about the center of in all capital letters. Then, to center horizontally, we will change the justification by clicking this icon in the paragraph bar. Now, back to the cover page. You can see the cursor moves header to the middle of the page up top to exit the header. Now type the title of your paper. In the
This
center
time,
of the
don't
page,
use all
you will want to
capital letters.
include the title of your paper, your name, and your institution
Instead,
or the
capitalize
school you
only
go
the
to.
first letter
This
of all
needs
the
to be
major
centered
words.
both vertically and otherwise
Press
halfway
Enter.
down the length of the page,
Now
and
type
also
your first
horizontally.
name
To center vertically, we will press
and then
Enter
your last
until
name.
we reach about the center of the page.
Press Enter. Now type the name of your school. For example,
Then, to
Sierra
center
College,
horizontally, we will change the justification by
American
clicking
River
this
College
icon.
in the paragraph bar.
We're almost done. One last thing is that the text needs to be
You can see the
double-spaced.
cursor moves to
You
the
can do
middle
this
of the
by
page.
highlighting the text, then selecting the
Now,
spacing
type the
icon
title of your
from
paper.
the paragraph toolbar.
This time, don't use all
Choose
capital letters.
2.0. See? Wasn't that easy?
Instead,
Look for my
capitalize
other
only
videos
the
on
first
APA
letter
formatting
of
for
all the
research
major
papers.
words.
Press Enter.
Now type your first name and then your last name. Press Enter. Now type the name of your school. For example, Sierra College or American River College.
We're almost done. One last thing is that the text needs to be double-spaced. You can do this by highlighting the text, then selecting the spacing icon from the paragraph toolbar. Choose 2.0. See? Wasn't that easy? Look for my other videos on APA formatting for research papers.